in this video I'll be showing you my projection for NZDJPY. NZDJPY. So on the monthly time frame, we've seen that price took out this high, right? Took out that high, give us a break of structure to the upside, and now that's give us a change of character to the upside, and that was where the buy started from ever since, because price gave us a break of structure to the downside here, right? A clear break of structure to the down, and now what happened? Price came into this range. So these are a new range. So we're expecting price, because for every expansion there's a retracement. So we're expecting price to, after this retracement, to also take out that high to validate the structure and everything. So we're expecting it to take out that high. So that is our first level of liquidity, which is that external rate liquidity resting above that level. All right. So what can we see currently? Saying that this level of liquidity, all right, so we're seeing that price needs to take out that high, price needs to take out those highs and all that. So we could also check for other liquidities. We could see around these levels. These are monthly time frame. Around these levels, internal range liquidity and all that, mitigation block there. So that's where we are looking to trade into, right? So currently we are seeing that the market, we can't really say more, but let's just see. It was a clear displacement to the upside, came down, higher low, higher low. Then just like that, market have been bullish on the monthly. So we're still expecting a push to the upside. So let's go to the weekly time frame to see structure there, to see what price is really doing. So let's not go too far, but we could see a clear market structure there, trending market, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and here we could see like a breaker block, because, or like a flip zone at that level, and with a demand zone at that level. So price traded into that, and we're expecting price to continue to the upside like this, right? So where's our break of structure to the upside? So this break of structure to the upside, break of structure, and now where's our demand? Demand or our order block is that level. All right, so we're expecting price to take out this level, of liquidity first before the next one, just like that. So we go to the daily time frame to see if we can get. So if you look at this, you see that price gave us a, like, okay, went up, came down, went up, came down, built liquidity, took liquidity down, then give us a clear breaker block, which market spend less time managing your OTB account, which price came into here after taking out that liquidity, and now this was like the liquidity grab that was taken out. All right, so and now price is using this breaker block, bullish breaker block at that level, to put price to the upside. So when price came into that level, we saw a clear shift of structure to the upside. Price gave us a change of character above here, and now change of character above here. And now what are we expecting? We're expecting that price should trade off from were an order block, and that other block was this block, this one that is currently in, and now we're seeing that the market has is giving us a clear. So let me just take that out. You can see that this block, this last bearish candle, price came in, and now we're expecting price to take out this, and all. So let's go to the 4 hour time frame so that you can see where to probably look for entry. So let's refine this. By refining this, you will see that price came into this order block right there, and this is the low. So refine that into this. So for our first target is this level, which is around 92.19. TP2 is around 93.455, right? So where are we going to enter? Wait for price to enter from, right? Yeah, we're going to wait for price to enter from. So basically, we on the 1 hour time frame and also edit this to this other block, this last bullish candle there and all that. So we're expecting price to. So we saw this shift of structure above here. There's change of character there, and now where price came into after giving us this break of structure again, it came into the other block. All right, we saw the price came into the other block and uh, used the other block to push price to the upside, give us another break of structure again to the upside. All right, so you can see that the market structure is very clear, and so you can see that's why price is moving up. I sent this trade yesterday. I sent this markup yesterday, so you can start looking for entries. So you can just wait for price. Let's go to 30 minutes time frame. 30 minutes time frame, you can see this clear structure. You can just wait for price to come into these levels. So you can just take your fee here to here. So price can just come into this level before you start um, looking to buy again. And now, yeah. All right, so you can use it for price to come into that level and just buy. Although I sent this markup yesterday, already buying from around somewhere. Yeah, we sent around somewhere here. So I think we use this order, right? So we saw clear push. So you can just wait for either here or here. So just mark it out. And if you look ongoing trades, you see that I already sent this 30 yesterday. Currently in profit, moving really fine. Let me show you where I I shared it to um, Telegram group. Alright, so let me just quickly show you the setup how I sent it. Where I sent it to when I sent it to the Telegram group, mentorship group. So the setup and it's moving nicely. We're going to ride it to the top. Alright, going to ride it to the very top, very top, very top. So let me just show you guys the okay. So let me just okay. So let me just share when I sent it to the group, sent it to the Telegram. So comment. So sent it. I sent it here so you can see. I said um, NZDJPY buy. So I sent it yesterday night. Sent it and now currently around somewhere here. So yeah, that's it. That's it. If you want to join our mentorship, you can just message us. So just take opportunity, um, make use of this opportunity. Price will move very high to this point. So I'll update you guys on this trade. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, share. See you on the next one.